Jill, the health coach here. Today I want to talk about oral health. It's a lot more important than you think it is. And when you really consider your oral health, you think your mouth, it's one major gateway. It's an opening to your body. Food you eat, stuff on the food gets in your mouth, goes in your body. It's just one big gateway, and it's so important to keep that gateway as clean as possible. As a matter of fact, there's a direct correlation between everybody who's had heart attacks all have had issues with their teeth in some way, shape, or form, whether it was a lot of cavities or plaque or gum disease or stuff like that. So it's super important that you keep your teeth clean. So the best ways: floss every single day, and make sure, a lot of people like to use the water picks as well. Those are a great tool. I actually have my own story about a really neat tool that I used. I had problems with my gums. I had receding gums, and I discovered this Ayurvedic method called oil pulling. And basically what that does is it draws bacteria out of your mouth. So all you do is I used to take unrefined organic coconut oil. I take about a tablespoon, put it in my mouth, and you just swish it. You swish it around for 15 minutes, and then you spit it out. Now, the only thing is you make sure you do it on an empty stomach. You do not want to do it right after you've taken any vitamins or medication, because guess what? You're just going to draw it back out. You can take it as soon as you're done, but you just don't want to take it before. So anyway, you switch around for 15 minutes, you spit it out. I spit it out into a Dixie cup and throw it in the garbage, because you do not want to put it in the sink. You don't want to put it down the pipes, because the oil will harden and ruin your pipes. So anyway, I did that, and then I went back to the dental hygienist and I got my teeth cleaned, and they were like, "Oh my gosh, your teeth are unbelievable." Now at that point, I had to get my teeth cleaned 4 times a year because they were so bad. And she told me that my gums were in such good shape that I could reduce that down to the normal amount, which is just twice a year. So I know it really works. And again, just want to make sure that they're as clean as possible. So try oil pulling. It's easy. It's a no-brainer. Plus, if you do it with coconut oil, very interestingly, it will whiten your teeth and it will make your breath fresher. And who doesn't want that? But it makes sense. You're drawing out the bacteria. So for other tips and recipes, feel free to check out jillthehealthcoach.com, and certainly check out my YouTube channel, Jill the Health Coach.